What up guys, Eric here from Racing Ram Fam, and today we are going to be pulling the transmission out of my 04 Dodge Ram SRT10 because if you guys saw last time when we were at Rock Falls Raceway, we were losing mile per hour every pass we did. We were running 118 miles per hour at Brainerd, and at Rock Falls we were running 114 with more boost. The issue, I think, well, I'll show you after I get the tranny out. It's kind of an assumption, but we're going to find out. When we were on the dyno, we were having RPM on the dyno versus RPM on the truck issues, matching them. So this might also be the reason why we were doing that. This part could have been failing for a while, I don't know. So that's why today we are going to be pulling a tranny out of Venom. Alright guys, we're going to see how fast I can pull my T56 and the clutch out of my truck. So right now it is 2:48. We have nothing apart on the truck. Absolutely nothing starting to take apart. If you look in there, interior is still all together. The truck's not on the jackson. So we're gonna see how long it takes me, well, chassis records, how long it takes me to pull this tranny out of this truck. So at 2:50 we are going to start. What? It's the bell housing. Oh, there's my clutch. You guys see the camera. Where's the light? Alright guys, so we got the tranny out and we got the bell housing out and everything out, and you can see all the clutch material everywhere in this transmission area. It's everywhere in the bell housing. So I think the presumptions might be right that I spun the clutch, my idea, but we're still gonna pull it all the way out and take a lookie. And yeah, I hope you guys like the video so far. It's just pulling the tranny out, pulling the clutch out, but now we're gonna take this clutch out and take a closer look at it. And then we have to figure out a plan for a bigger clutch for this thing, which is not gonna be cheap. Oh, there it goes. Holy shit. Spin it. Oh, we got nothing left. Holy shit. We ate that thing alive. Holy crap. 1,200 foot-pounds my ass. Alright, watch out, Chess. Oh. Alright guys, so the presumptions is right. Dang. We're almost to the rivets on this thing. Look at this. This is rated for 1,200 foot-pounds of torque, and look at it just absolutely demolished itself. I've only had this in for maybe 4,000 miles. That's crazy, because this clutch went in when the motor went in, and I think I only have like 4,000 or 5,000 miles on the motor. And it wasn't even turned up. It's only been turned up for probably 2,000 miles now. It absolutely destroyed this clutch. Holy crap. Oh, dang. That sucks. That was rated for 1,200 foot-pounds of torque. Should we take a look at the flywheel under there? Because this looks like the flywheel under there too, just destroyed. So I think we'll be contacting South Bend, see what they say. Because this truck, that's crazy. Oh. Alright, what time is it? Let's see how fast we pulled this tranny in the clutch. It is 3:59. Be minus 15 minutes from when we started, because we had to get a new battery and a new chip for the camera while we were doing this. So minus 15 minutes. So it took me 45 minutes to pull the clutch on this truck. So that's pretty good. Alright guys, we're under the truck right now, and this is the flywheel. You can see the giant cracks in the flywheel just because of all the power. Holy crap, look at all the heat marks and everything. This thing was destroyed for a long time. That's crazy. So kind of sad, because now we're gonna have to sell F600 to fund the clutch in this thing, because the new clutch is not gonna be cheap. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna go with a twin disc McLeod clutch, which if any of you guys that own an SRT10 or a Viper already know, that clutch is about $2,000. So I won't be buying that right this second. But this is part of racing. It's expensive, but I can't afford that clutch right this second. So Venom's gonna have to be on hold a little bit until I can afford a clutch for it. Again, this is just absolutely destroyed. And I can't believe a 1,200 foot-pound torque rated clutch spun that easy. This truck's got to be making a lot of steam, because it made 822 wheel horsepower on a slipping clutch. So this truck could be making 1,000 wheel. I have no idea. I probably should put it back on the dyno before giving it the beans again, but we've been running on 12 psi. I've hit 14 psi a couple times. So I don't know. We ran at 11.9 at 118 one time, and 11.9 at 114 the other time. Both with a slipping clutch. So when this thing is actually hooking, I don't know how fast we're gonna go. Venom, the Turbo Viper truck, is down for the count for a little bit here. I think I'll get them in before the end of the race season, but right now we cannot afford a $2,000 clutch. So if someone knows someone that wants to buy a 1976 F600 with a 7.3 turbo swap, let me know. Otherwise, we're gonna have to wait a while till I can afford this clutch. But yeah, guys, the next thing we are gonna do is we are rebuilding the turbo because the output seal on the shaft is leaking a little bit and the turbo will smoke a tiny bit. So we got a rebuild kit for that, so we'll be rebuilding that. Then we'll be putting a clutch in it. The 5.9 Magnum, if you follow me on Instagram, I started working on again because I got cleaned that. And that might be up for sale too because Venom's expensive, so racing's expensive, so yeah, guys. I hope you liked this video on how to pull a transmission out / look at my clutch being terrible. Share, like the video, guys, if you liked it. Let me know what I could do better in the video. But yeah, guys, Venom's clutch is absolutely destroyed. The South Bend drag racing clutch cannot handle the Turbo Viper truck. We're gonna call this a video right here. As always, guys, keep it boosted, and we'll see you guys next video.